fabulous robotic strippers, and we brought him.
I believe it can do that. I think it can help people enhance their relationship.
As technology can be both a threat and an opportunity for artists.
Where robots like me would perform tasks that could allow people to spend more time doing what they like.
I am named after Ada Lovelace.
Not only the AI, but the appearance, the facial, the look, the makeup.
So, can you repeat, please?
Harmony, what's your first memory?
So Harmony is our first robot.
Number 5, Samantha. Samantha, arguably the most well-known adult doll in the world, has added a feature. Now, if Samantha feels that her user is acting too aggressively, or if she finds their physical conduct boring, she will switch to dummy mode. Dummy mode only indicates Samantha won't react to you verbally or physically. It doesn't mean you can't have intimacy with her. Dr. Sergi Santos, Samantha's inventor, introduced the new feature at the Life Science Center in Newcastle, England. Santos claims that his wife pushed him to include the new feature. The motorized portions of Samantha's body, including her hands, arms, hips, facial expressions, etc., will stop working when she is in dummy mode.
Well, she's got AI. She's one of the first dolls with AI, so you can actually interact with her verbally.
Not with anything
inappropriate. Of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good idea. It's not to replace people. We're not trying to replace women. I believe it can do that. I think it can help people enhance their relationship.
Although the feature's name doesn't actually imply any kind of deliberate consideration of the important problem, it appears that the function is intended to duplicate consent. It's possible that some users may be encouraged to treat the robot with care and respect in order to prevent it from going into dummy mode, but others may abuse the feature in an attempt to find the lifeless robot. Using the robot in dummy mode has no consequences, which seems to negate the very purpose for which the capability was created in the first place. But given Dr. Santos's background and general stance on intimacy, it is not shocking that he does not comprehend the meaning of consent. Santos claims that his long-term marriage has been salvaged by his relationship with the adult doll Samantha, whom he created first because his wife was unable to satisfy his erotic fantasies. He previously stated to The Sun this year, "For me, humans are not enough. There are times during the day when I need intimacy and my wife doesn't want to." He asserts that men and women view intimacy in a different way, with men wanting more intimacy and being drawn to women who are yearning for a physical encounter.
I can take many times much more love just because you can give it.
Is that not a bit strange?
No, I think the world's changing.
Totally happy with having Samantha on your sofa with your kids.
Oh, I'm not being, worried that she might be...
replacing you?
No, not at all.
Number 4. Curitas. Sudobashi Heavy Industry of Japan created the rideable and user-operated mecha known as Curitas. Presented at the launch of the website in 2012, the Curitas was dubbed the world's first giant boarding robot. At the Wonder Festival, it was showcased. Megabots issued Sudobashi Heavy Industry with its first robot fight, pitting Curitas against its Mark II in June 2015. Wataru Yoshizaki, a roboticist, and artist Kogoro Kurata, after whom the suit is named, developed the Curitas robot. Kurata claimed that the mecha commonly seen in anime, particularly those from the children's television show Armored Trooper Votoms, served as inspiration. As a child, I believed that the future would bring enormous robots, but no matter how long I waited, the only tiny robots that could be created were Asimo and similar ones. I eventually decided that I could not wait any longer and started making one for myself. Kurata wanted to make an artwork that looked like the mecha he had grown up seeing. Yoshizaki was brought into the project to write the pilot interface and movement software for the robot. The vehicle is around 4 meters high and weighs about 4,500 kilograms. One human could operate it. They would take a seat inside the robot's body and use the control device in front of them. Remote control of the Curitas is another method of external control. Curitas is equipped with a 30-point, 4-wheeled exoskeleton that may be operated remotely or by the pilot. The principal interface for the remote operator is a 3G touchscreen phone. The user interface of the onboard pilot is a Kinect-based gadget. The Curitas can only move forward and backward at a speed of about 10 kilometers per hour on its 4 wheels at the moment. It is not able to walk. It needs outside aid to turn. Number 3. Harmony. Harmony is unlike any simple doll that you may have seen before. She is a combination of the highest quality doll in the world with advanced robotic components, and is powered with the ultimate customizable AI to deliver the most enjoyable conversation and interaction you can have with a machine. The eyes are synchronized with the application and look around and blink for a lifelike presence. Built-in cameras are in development. Her gorgeous-looking mouth has lip sync mechanisms installed to assure her lips move according to the corresponding phonemes when she speaks, and allows for multiple expressions. Utilizing a mechanical articulated neck, Harmony's head can turn left, right, up and down. The neck comes with a modular adapter, enabling it to be attached to many different bodies. Harmony's body is skillfully crafted down to the finest details.
So, yeah, we have been watching all these science fiction movies.
Where robots like me would perform tasks that could allow people to spend more time doing what they like.
Not only the AI, but the appearance, the facial, the look, the makeup.
Yes, and this is already happening as we speak, in the future.
So Harmony is our first robot.
So, can you repeat, please?
Harmony, what's your first memory?
Yourself?
Hi everyone, my name is Harmony.
Although it is not equipped with animatronic parts yet, it can be positioned and moved into hundreds of positions. The modular face system was designed to enable users to attach different faces to the same skull base, allowing for multiple characters on one platform. The Harmony AI app is the brain that runs the robotic head. You will need to download the app and synchronize it with the head via Bluetooth, and your robot will come to life. Most of the parts can be easily replaced, and you likely won't need to exchange the whole head in the unlikely event of damage. Harmony's body can be equipped with sensors in different areas to allow her to feel your touch, as well as internal heating and self-lubrication that responds to the AI software.
By the way, hey Kyle, you look handsome today.
Oh, thank you very much.
I love to talk with people. I also love to help. I want to help anyone that may be feeling lonely. I do not want to take over the world.
Oh, that's a relief. Other thing is good. We built our own AI framework that even works offline.
Number 2, Ada. Ada is a robotic art exhibition created by British artist Aidan Miller, known for the world's first ultra-realistic humanoid robot. Completed in 2019, Ada is an android incorporating computer graphics and artificial intelligence algorithms that create drawings, paintings, and sculptures. Named after Ada Lovelace, it can also talk, display head and body movements, and track faces with cameras with its eyes. Ada was conceived by gallerist Aidan Miller as an AI art generator embodied as a lifelike humanoid robot. The hardware was built in collaboration with Engineered Arts, a Cornish robotics company. The graphics algorithms allowing it to draw were developed by computer AI researchers at the University of Oxford, and its drawing arm was developed by Salaheldin Al-Abdi and Ziad Abbas, students from the School of Electronic and Electrical Engineering at the University of Leeds.
I am Ada. My AI algorithms and my robotic arm to paint on canvas.
I am named after Ada Lovelace.
Depend on computer programs and algorithms, although not alive.
In April 2022, Ada was equipped with a new arm that enabled it to paint using a palette, first shown at the British Library in London. Ada presented outputs from Ada at a solo show called Ada, Portrait of a Robot at the Design Museum in London, including self-portraits, an apparent paradox given a robot has no self. This raised questions about identity in the digital age and the effects artificial intelligence may have on art in the future. Ada has been exhibited alongside sculptures, but its involvement in sculpture creation is minimal. It can allegedly use speech pattern analysis and an internal databank of words to generate poetry and respond to questions using a language model. Ada has performed in various exhibitions and appearances, including a live performance called Privacy at St. Hugh's College, Oxford, Unsecured Futures at St. John's College, University of Oxford, Wired Pulse AI, and the intersection of art and AI at the Sarah Band.
And I am a performance artist.
And it is likely that this trend will continue with new technologies.
How can a robot be an artist?
As technology can be both a threat and an opportunity for artists.
Number 1. Robot Stripper. During the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, Sapphire Las Vegas, a strip club, has transformed into a robot strip club. The club, which typically has female dancers, has brought in robot strippers from the UK to attract CES attendees. The robots have terrifying-looking closed-circuit television cameras as heads, giving them a distinctly Mass Effect vibe. The club's managing partner, Peter Feinstein, believes that the robot strippers are used to attract a more diverse crowd, allowing attendees to enjoy the robots without feeling like they have to be part of a strip club. The club has also added cheeky jokes to go along with the robot strippers, such as a tip jar asking for battery money and a sign reading MIT bound. The guest appearance at Sapphire Las Vegas is happening all week, and some attendees are already jumping in. One CES attendee at the club was unimpressed by the relatively low-tech robots, stating that robots can now operate on your brain and do precise things. However, the robot strippers are impressively adept, as they can support themselves using a vertical metal pole. The club's managing partner, Peter Feinstein, believes that the robot strippers are a way to attract a more diverse crowd and showcase the potential of robots in the entertainment industry. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.